So this is the PuraFlame fireplace that I got. I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty real for the most part. And I have a wood fireplace, so what I did is I just cleaned out everything inside, and this is like a little box that comes and you just slide it in and then you plug it in and that's it. So I really like this. I think it's pretty good for the money, and compared to many I've seen, this looks more realistic. So I would definitely say this is a good product. I haven't had any problems with it at all. It gives you sound if you want it. It gives you three different levels of fire. It gives you 2 different levels of heat, and you can use it without the heat, without the sound, and just use it to be pretty. It is just, yeah, I'm really happy with it. So, like I said, I had a wood burning fireplace, so it was pretty easy for me. I just cleaned it out and stuck that in. So anyway, I hope you like it.